it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this ZESICA dress that I got. I absolutely love it. It is a maxi dress and it's so pretty and so breezy for summertime. It's made with 100% rayon, super easy to machine wash. I usually hang it to dry just to be safe. It also steams really easily if it does get wrinkled. I've steamed it a million times and it's really easy, really quick. The bodice itself is kind of this sheared bodice, and then it does have the crocheting up here on the top also. It is sleeveless, there's no straps, so it is kind of a tube top. And then down here on the bottom, it does kind of have the tiered skirt, and then it has this crochet detailing, which I think is so pretty. It's not see-through at all. You don't have to worry about it going outside and being able to see right through it. It's actually really opaque. It looks really good outside. You don't have to stress about anybody seeing anything they're not supposed to. It is really nice material. It feels super soft. It's so lightweight. It's just really pretty on. And then it also has kind of an A-line cut. So give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like on. Okay, so now that you have seen what it looks like on, you see how pretty and flowy it is. It's really lightweight and just amazing. I think it's a beautiful piece to have for summer. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.